Good afternoon. First hour and fourth hour. Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. This is just a quick rundown of 2-2 examples. This is solving equations, and we'll do 4 examples, short video. Example 1 is 2 plus y divided by 3 equals -1. So these are two-step equations, so we have to be able to figure out what those 2 steps are. And in this problem, the 2 plus y is being divided by 3. So this big bar right here is divide by 3. Then to undo this division by 3, we're going to multiply both sides by 3, like that. And then the 3's cancel, like that. And then you end up with 2 plus y on the left and -3 on the right. And the second step for this problem would be to subtract the 2 from both sides. And you write y equals, this is solving an equation, and you get y equals -3, take away another 2 is -5. So that's example 1. And then example 2 is something like q divided by -3 plus 12 equals 2. Now this problem is a little bit different than the first one, because the first one, 2 plus y, the whole expression there is being divided by 3. But this one, the 2 steps are going to be q divided by -3 plus 12. The 2 steps will be subtract the 12 first and then multiply. So we have to remove this 12 first and then multiply. And so after we remove the 12 from both sides, we have q, which is our variable, divided by -3 is equal to 2, take away -12, which is -10. Now, that was the first step, was to subtract the 12, and the second step is to multiply by -3. And then the -3's cancel. So q is equal to +30, and that's the answer. Okay? Now, part of your assignment is simplifying with distributive property, which isn't so bad. So we'll do one example like that, and this is example 3, and then that will be it. Okay? So we're going to now look at something like 3 minus 2x, or 3 negative 2x, and we're going to multiply that by -4. Now the -4 gets distributed and multiplied by both of these terms. This term inside is 3. This term inside the parentheses is -2x. So you're going to multiply the -4 by both of those terms. So -4 times the 3 minus -4 times the 2x. Now the minus sign here is with the 2x. This minus sign is with the 4. And these two negative signs will make it positive, right? Negative times a negative is positive. So there's some negative signs in here. I just wanted to do that. So this is negative 12, this term, negative 4 times 3 is negative 12, plus, well, 4 times 2 is 8, and it's 8x. Now we have to keep these separate. Okay, so that's it, folks. We're going to just a quick video, and then your couple examples, and you have a homework assignment that's due. So I hope everybody has a good day.